all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. Water grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain.
Pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards, with only hearts. What you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know. In this house of cards, with
sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. Wait with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, our love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this was it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really? Al inicio del ser, quiero puedas ver que salimos del suelo y abrimos el mirar al fuego en nuestra mano.
Lest I forget, I did not remember to show you guys this paper. I got this paper for 1,000 naira. Like this is the cheapest thing I've gotten in a while. In fact, it's not like I needed this paper, but I know I will be needing it soon. Obviously, I've not been cooking for a minute, but with this, we have to enter the kitchen block. Yo!
What you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Hi my loves, good morning. How you all doing? I hope you're well. Today I went to the market very early and I just came back, so let's and I just came back. So let me show you the few things I got at the local market. So let's do that. So I got these sweet potatoes for 1,000 naira, and they are really big. This is how many pieces? 6 pieces. Moving on, I got this plantain for 1,000 naira. I think it's plantain season because sometimes ago this plantain was like 5,000 naira. I mean 6 pieces, and they, in fact, they were of this size, like they were not really big at all. So it's plantain season. I got this smoked fish for 2,200 naira, which I think is a sweet one, is a good deal because they are not too small. I got punky leaves. This is 1,000 naira punky leaves, and I think it's a good buy because the last time I got something like this, it was like quarter that was sold for 500 naira, quarter of this size. So this is a good one. We have ugu here. I got this okra for 500 naira, but I'm doubting this okra because they are a little, I thought it would be bad because they are big, but and the size, like this is 500 naira. Ow! I'm so happy. So we have okra 500 naira. I got this pomo for 2,300 naira. I don't know why pomo is now expensive. There's nothing, no nutrients. So why is it expensive? But we just need it because, but I just need it because I want to make egusi soup and ilala sipo and efo soup. So I need pomo just to, you know, you get it, right? If you don't get it, forget about it. So I got this pomo for 2,300. Here we have beef. I got this beef for 4,000 naira. I felt cheated because this is errands. Sure, you understand? Because when you cook it now, it will remain like half. But it's okay, it's one of those things. I don't really know how to buy beef, in all honesty. So this was 4,000 naira. I got this assorted for 3,000 naira. And I got this crayfish for 800 naira. This is a cup of crayfish. I got this lime for 200 naira. I need this lime for some meal. Here we have locust beans. These locust beans cost 500 naira. And in here we have onions. This costs 500 naira. Then here I have garlic and ginger. Let me show you. So I have garlic and ginger, and this costs 700 naira. This was 200 and this was sold for 500 naira. The last but not the least is this pepper. I got pepper of 2,000 naira. Both the tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, and this is tatashia. What do they call this one? Something like bell pepper, but it's not the normal big bell pepper. I don't know. It's not chili. Bawa is chili. I don't know the name anyway. So I got all this for 2,000 naira. Yeah, so that is all I got in the local market. I want to prep now. I still have to step out one more time because I need to do groceries, and I need to buy egg, I need to buy chicken, I need to buy some other stuff, but we'll do that later. So let's start the prepping. I have to wash the pepper, blend, parboil, then all the proteins that we have here, and yeah.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days. intentions, only God in